I would be so happy. Come on, Kamtos. Where's the positivity? I'm always positive, but you are not. There's my ulti. It can't be a net 5. Come on! Ah, it's not. It's a Dark Robo. Oh my god, I take it. I take it. Yes. Yes. Okay. New. Oh, god, this account is too crazy. Maybe like Dark Lightning? You never know. Dark Fark. Oh my god, it could be a Light Darknet 5! It's not, it's a light. Oh my god, I think he's new. I think he's new. I think he's new. I take it. Oh my god, I'm so happy right now. Whoops, I just made the screen a bit smaller. Okay, 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 okay. Okay, maybe Light Dark Lightning. That's my third one! Oh my god, what is happening today? He's new! Oh my god! Oh! Don't make me get a heart attack, Hunters! Oh my god, that's my third Light Dark Lightning today! And he's new! It's not normal! Come to us! Oh my god! Lately! Ah! Voila! More Light Dark Lightning! Oh, I can't talk! First Hall of Heroes. It's a Figaro. I love this guy so much. Oh my god, come on! I have him already. I need the dark one, but still. Light Dark Lightning. That's my fifth or my sixth one? Kinky and Martina. Both basically LD5. I want Martina and Kinky as well on my main account. Come on, can we get LD4 or 5 out of this scroll? No. Okay. 5 scrolls left. Come on, Kamtos. Oh my god, come on! Come on, give me something new! She's new? She's new on my main? On my main at least? I take it, I take it. Okay, that's a huge win already. I can still zap once again. It worked, come on. 3 scrolls left. First Light Dark scroll and it's a lightning and it's new. I take it. It's a, what is happening? No! Hall of Heroes, okay. Okay, let me zap once again. Like, what? Okay, okay. Hall of Heroes, but 2 Light Dark Lightning in 5 scrolls. Okay, come to us. Wow! Come on, give me something new. I still need a few Light Darknet frees as well. Another one! Come on, give me something. Do I have her already on my main? If I don't, oh my god, that's such a huge win. That's such a huge win if I don't have her. I have her already. I take 2. I take 2. I take 2 Ilianas. Wow.